Here's a wristwatch which has a magnetic buckle, that one. Of course it's for women, not for my hairy hand, but it looks like this. So you have to simply lift it up. So this part goes up and then comes down, and that blue thing, it's covered with a plastic or nylon or something like that. That's a magnet, and it sticks to the metal part, to that metal mesh. You can shorten it and close it. Just lift it up, make it longer and stick it there. Okay, so let's try it. To put it on your hand, you have to loosen it, don't take it out. So it's inserted and then it is simply pulled and released, and that's it. Magnetic buckle wristwatch. To remove it, just loosen it and pull your hand out, and that's it.